friends! Welcome to the magical Rainbow Colors adventure with Pixie Pals! Red like a juicy apple. Point and say red with me.
Orange like a crunchy carrot. Orange. Wave and say orange. Orange!
Green like fresh leaves. Wiggle and say green. Blue like the sky and this pretty flower. Point and say blue. Purple like sweet grapes. Clap and say purple.
Purple! Purple! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple too. Rainbow colors, I love you! Red again! Red!
Point and say red louder.
Red! Red! Orange again! Jump and say orange!
Yellow again. Clap twice and say yellow. Green again. Wiggle faster and say green.
Creamy! Blue again. Spin and say blue. Purple again. Cheer and say pearl.
Now sing with me.
Red, orange, yellow, green. Red and orange, yellow and green. Blue and purple colors seen. Rainbow colors bright and true.
I'm blue and purple too. Rainbow colors shine for you.
You're doing amazing. Let's sing it again.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple too. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple too. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple too. Rainbow colors, I love you. You're a color expert. You're a color expert. Rainbow colors, color expert.
Quick review. Red like apple.
Red like apple. Red. Orange like carrot.
Wow, so bright.
Orange carrot.
Wave it high. It's like a sunset.
Pretty colors. A banana. Yellow like banana. Wow, so yellow. Can we share it? Yes, let's share.
Yummy. Green like leaves.
Wow, so vibrant. I love green leaves.
Nature's perfect color.
Blue like sky and flower.
Yes, so beautiful.
And it glows.
Purple like grapes. Wow, they're so shiny and purple.
They look delicious. Let's share them. Yay!
Your turn. Point to any color and say it loud. Yay! You know all the rainbow colors.
You're a champion.
High five.
Yay! High five! We did it! Great job! You're a rainbow color expert! See you next time! Keep learning with Pixie Pals!
Bye, friends. You're amazing. You're amazing.